It's the holiday season and we decided to buy ourselves an early Christmas gift for our RV, and I thought today what we would do is we will unbox this new gift, we'll put it together and we'll see how it does in this episode of Travels with Delaney. Welcome back everyone, my name's Patrick, and if you're new to our channel, we have been RVing now for about 20 years, owned 11 different RVs, and we're always looking for products to make our RV experience better. And so this year we went ahead and ordered something that we think is going to be great for our RV. For those of you who haven't been following our journey, we're getting ready to list our beautiful log cabin home here in Indiana, put it on the market, and once it sells, we are moving into our 2024 Alliance Avenue 29 RL, and we're going to live in that for a couple of years. So let me go ahead and show you what I purchased. Now, I did purchase this on Amazon. I will put the link to this product down in the description of this video, so if you're interested in checking it out, you can. But I ended up buying the Smoture, S-M-O-T-U-R-E, cordless vacuum. Now, we've had a cheap corded vacuum that I had bought at the Goodwill. It did okay, but we decided we needed something that would take up less space, and we kind of wanted cordless, so we just didn't have to mess with the cord. So I've already opened the box up, but I have not actually looked at anything in the box, so you're going to get to see this just like me. And it looks like the first thing I see here is an owner's manual, which we'll need probably later, but you know, I'm a guy, we'll deal with that some other time. So this one has a sweeper head. This one's actually, I believe, made for like wood floors or vinyl floors. It's soft, it's not a hard bristle. And so there we go for that. And in our RV, we have a big area rug. So and this will be great because not only will it work on the linoleum, but it's going to work on that big area rug for us. It looks like everything in the top of the box is attachments. Here is a attachment that looks like it does have a brush. I'm guessing, yeah, there we go. So there's a brush. So if you need to do something with that, and then it looks like you can slide it back and just have a hard surface. So a little more direct in sweeping. This appears to be a filter of some sort. So we'll go ahead, and I'm just going to open this up because I want to get this thing put together. We'll try it out here in the house. It's currently like, I don't know, less than 20 degrees outside. And so yeah, the RV is tucked away, safe and sound for a few more weeks until we head out for Christmas. All right, I'm guessing this might be like a holder for attachments, and then there's a little brush probably for cleaning. Let's go down a layer. Here we have probably part of the wand. More foam, so it's packed really well in here. This, I'm guessing, is our battery pack. I'm guessing. Yep, that looks like a battery. Okay, so not too big. Here we have another attachment. This is going to be good for, you know, if we're trying to get something out of the sofa or down in a crevice. That's going to work pretty good for that. We have a cable for charging. And then finally, here is the vacuum motor. And there you go. Look at that. Pretty cool looking. So I'm guessing this extends. Ah, yes. There we go. So you can lock this in different lengths. I like that. So depending on, you know, if you're working on something up high, or you can extend it all the way out. I'm going to guess this just snaps right there like that. Oh yeah, and I do like this because we have had sweepers before where the buttons aren't always identifiable. It looks like the buttons are in red, so if you want to take it apart, it's easy to see where things are. And then we can go ahead for now. Let's go ahead. And then it looks like our battery pack, you can see there, and that looks like that's just going to. So the on-off switch appears to be this red trigger. All right, and then let's go ahead and turn it back on. It looks like we have battery monitor, and then what I read online was this will auto adjust to whatever you're sweeping. So if you're on carpeting, it will adjust for that. And then when we go to the tile floor here in the cabin, it will adjust to that surface. So you don't have to, like a lot of sweepers, we don't have to do any kind of adjustments on here that I'm aware of. It's actually quiet, and it's picking up pretty good right out here. I will tell you, on Amazon, this has a lot of reviews, and it is highly rated. It's why I went with this one over some of the others. Now, this is like a Dyson wannabe, but it's a fraction of the cost of a Dyson. And Truman, our dog, doesn't even seem to be bothered by it. Our home sweeper, he's not always fond of, but I can hear it picking up. And and we have hardwood floors here in the cabin, so this would have been great had we bought this a long, long time ago. It does have a light in the front. And I can tell it is doing a really good job here in the cabin, picking up dog hair, because I see quite a bit of dog. Oh, look at that. And again, I'll put some of the specs in the description for this, because I believe this thing has pretty good run time. I also believe, there are different levels. So maybe you can hear the motor kick in. I was on low setting, although we thought it was doing a great job on low setting. I'll go back to, it has an auto setting. So the auto will probably self-adjust. And let's come right over here, Patty. Let's see what it does. There we go. Once it went up to carpet, hear that? That motor's kicking in because it knows it's on carpet, and it's adjusting. There we go, back to tile. Motor goes down. And let's go ahead. We're going to pull out our trash can. Let's see if I can do this and not make too much of a mess. There we go. Look at that, dog hair. Yep. Okay. One of the things I read was it was freestanding. You could just leave it standing like this.
And that's cool because the shark we have upstairs
would fall over.
It doesn't do that.
Yeah.
It would fall and make a big crash.
Yeah, and we do have a shark here. Now I'm trying to figure out.
That might just go somewhere else.
I have a feeling this is for the battery pack. Okay.
Probably it holds
Okay,
back.
so for charging purposes, there we go. This is going to slip into there.
There you go.
And then here we would plug in.
Yep.
Right there. It did come with some screws, so we could actually hang this in the RV if we want, or we may just lay it someplace. Yep. But that's how you charge this. Now, they sent us a backup filter. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wand off here. So to change out your filter, there is a button here on the side, and we just remove that, and you're going to see there is this like foam filter right there, and then it has the paper filter up here. And like I said, they sent us one of each of those. But let me put this back together. Okay. There we go. So it just clips back into place. But you turn this top kind of aqua color thing, pull up, and there's this slot here, and they send you, and I have no idea where you buy a replacement, but it's like an aroma therapy type disc, I guess, so when you're sweeping, you get...
Yeah, good smell.
Oh, wow.
Let me see.
Smell-o-vision.
Oh, that's what I want.
This one just says Bluebell, and it says to just drop this right in there.
Nice.
And then you replace the cap, and I guess, so as you're sweeping, that's going to help keep your dust cup smelling good. And I don't know if it actually, but I do smell it here. So now let's try one of these attachments. So now we can click that in, and then down here, we're going to be able to click that in. And again, what I like is we can extend this wand, so if we're doing something up high, okay, and I can set my power up. Pull my trigger, it shuts it off. And again, the last accessory, so we've got the power brush head, we've got the crevice tool, and then we have this one where we can actually use it with a brush, or we can just go straight for bigger. But this could be useful in a house like this. Just like that. So there you go. Now, I tell you, the fact that we did get this on sale and the fact that it's highly rated on Amazon, now I'm impressed already, but just understand, we just got this, as you saw. So I can't sit here and quote recommend it. All I can do is point you in the direction of it. You read the reviews like I did, and maybe this might be something you're interested in. And like I said, if you're wondering about the weight, which feels really lightweight, I'll put all of those specs that I can find in the description for you. And there you go. This is our Christmas gift to us this year. It's going to be our new vacuum in the RV. And one of the reasons we really liked it was, you can see it's not going to take up a lot of space like a full-size vacuum. All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed seeing us unbox our new toy for the camper. Until next time, we'll see everybody on down the road. Bye.
Travels with Delaney. We'll see you on down the road.